Lowland.
I look beautiful and not at all silly. Sometimes my flowers can be small, but my stem is always tall. My color can be red, yellow, or blue. One color or maybe colors of two. I can be pink, either pale or bright. My colors are dark or light. I am a yellow daffodil, dark or light. My colors are so vivid and bright. My petals look like a star. My beauty can be seen from afar. A trumpet shape is at my center, where butterflies and bees do enter. I can grow in gardens or the woods. Wherever I grow, I look very good. I am a daisy colored white, with a yellow center so bright. I can be red, yellow, or pink, not just simply white as people think. In your garden I can grow, with pretty flowers to show. I can grow wild in meadows too, so be careful where you put your shoes. I am a lilac in a small garden tree. Always in spring you will see me. My petals are so small and bright. Their violet color brings such a delight. My flowers are very long, with smell that is sweet and strong. Insects always adore me, including butterflies or bees. I am a lily with petals so long. My scent is sweet and very strong. My color can be yellow, white, or red, or a mixture of two colors instead. I can grow in a pond. Of the water I am very fond. I can be in a star shape, and from the center my petals drape. facing the sun. My colors are many and not just one. I can be pink, purple and white, orange and red, so bright. On a thick stem my flowers grow. I open up and put my colors on.